Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you about properties of an AP. Okay, here arithmetic progression and properties now. Properties of an AP. Here it is given that if A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, or we can take it like this, or if A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D are in AP. So according to first property, if all terms of an AP is added or subtracted by some constant value, then the new series will again be in an AP. Okay, by taking some example, I can explain you that if 2, 5, 8, 11, here common difference is 3, okay, 11, 14 are in AP. See, since 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 are in AP, and suppose we are adding a constant term in all, and that constant term let k, a plus k, a plus k, plus k, plus k, or minus k. Once I am taking plus k. Now see whether these all again in AP or not. How will you check? You just find common difference from here. 5 plus k minus 2 plus k. 2, like 5 plus k minus 2 plus k. Means you will get 5 plus k minus 2 minus k. K cancelled out. Again you are getting the same common difference. Just see here. 14 plus k minus 11 plus k. Again here you are getting same common difference. So there is no effect of addition of this constant term k. And if you subtract this k, then also there is no effect on their common difference and in the nature of series. Thus we conclude that whenever we subtract or add a constant term in all terms of an AP, then the new series will again be in AP. Okay. Now next property. Next property is that when again ABC are in AP, or A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D is in AP, if this sequence is in AP and we multiply each term by a constant term, means when each term of an AP is multiplied by a constant term, then again the series, means new series, will be in an AP. See how? If A into K, A plus D into K, A plus 2D into K, A plus 3D into K. See, now this new series, this is new series, when we have multiplied by a constant term, constant number, that is k, to each term, then what is common difference? Here the common difference is A plus D k, here k taking common, A plus D minus A. So you are getting dk, here d dash. So d dash is the common difference for new series. It is k times of the old common difference. Okay, and here if you find d dash, again you will get the same result. Means what? Here the new series is again in an AP, but its common difference will not be the same as in the case of old series. Okay, it means here conclusion is that when we multiply by a constant number to all terms, to each term of NAP, then the new series will again be in NAP. Okay? Now, when we divide each term of NAP by a constant number, then the new series will again be in NAP. Okay? Means here, rather than multiplication, if we divide, okay, if we write like this, just see, if A, B, C are in AP, or A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D are in AP, and we divide by a constant number K to each term, then check whether now this new series is in AP or not. Now check, what is D? D dash, common difference for new series will be 1 by K will be common, A plus D minus A, that is what? D. Now here also D dash is equal to D by K. Here the common difference will change, but the series, nature of the series remains unchanged. Means this new series